Hello, sir. How are you doing? Okay, so you get the so first position in Panam. So first note, the first part actually. So Panika Polo. So it's the next part. So to join our first and second. Then the third part. It's an octave. Then open number 5. Touch button number 4 banner. So I have to join the 4 parts slowly now. So to see kakak tempo bija.